Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ilmaliana. I'm from TBI4F. Today, I will explain about my poster. My poster entitled is The Implementation of Vocabulary Building Strategy in Teaching English Vocabulary to Young Learners. The author is Safrizal and Hairuddin. Okay, abstract. Abstract is vocabulary as one of English component, and it's very important to learn. Before the student master the four skills, they have to know some vocabularies to support them in learning English. English vocabulary as one of the language skill elements has an important role for young learners in learning foreign language. In presenting English, especially vocabulary, the teacher should be creative in choosing materials and able to stimulate the student interest. The teacher needs to manipulate some strategy to support the teaching and learning process. Teaching English for young learners is different from teaching adults in a way that they are often more enthusiastic, active, and easily adaptive than adults. The type of this research is descriptive qualitative research. This research is a descriptive qualitative research that focuses on vocabulary building strategy in teaching vocabulary to young learners. It describes the technique and method used by the teacher in teaching English vocabulary to young learner. Keyword. Keyword is vocabulary, building strategy, and young learners. Okay, introduction. Introduction is teaching English has developed dramatically in the recent years because globalization impact and everyone should understand English as their international language. The development of English education can also be seen in Indonesia, in which English starts to be taught earlier to young learners. There are four skills that should be mastered by students in learning English. They are speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Besides the four English skills, to support the mastery of four language skills, the students should have well understanding of English components such as vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. Vocabulary is core component of listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Vocabulary is very important to be learned by the student who want to master a language. English vocabulary as one of the language skill elements has an important role for young learners in learning foreign language. In presenting English, especially vocabulary, the teacher should be creative in choosing materials and able to stimulate the students' interest. The teacher needs to manipulate some strategies to support the teaching and learning process. Teaching English for young learners is different from teaching adults in a way that they are often more enthusiastic, effective, active, and easily adaptive than adults. Elementary school students are children who still like playing, so the teacher is expected to be imaginative and creative in developing the teaching strategy to make the English lesson more exciting. Okay, result. The result is the type of this research is descriptive qualitative research. This research is a descriptive qualitative research that focuses on vocabulary building strategy in teaching vocabulary to young learners. Okay, research methods. This article have 10 research methods. Number 1, the research design. This research is a descriptive qualitative research that focuses on vocabulary building strategy in teaching vocabulary to young learners. Number 2, research setting or place of research. The research was carried out at Pesantren Dir Al Qolam 3, which are located Pangkat, Jayanti, Tangerang. Number 3, time of research. The researchers conducted the research from 1 May 2018. Number 4, subject and objective of research. This research book 7 grade students as the sample, whereas the participants of this study are teachers and students of the 7th grade of Pesantren Dar El Qolam 3. Number 5, research instrument. The instrument used for gathering the data were observation, interview, and documentation. Number 6, research data collection, observation. In this observation, the subject of observation is teacher and students actives in teaching English vocabulary class. It focuses on the vocabulary building strategy in teaching vocabulary. Number 7, interview. The research adds the document by conducting interview with the with the English teacher and student of Pesantren Dar El Kolam 3 recorded using audio recording. Number 8, documentation. Documentation refers to materials such as photograph, video, film, memos, letter, diaries, clinical case records, and memorabilia of the start that can be used as supplement information as part of study whose main data source is participant observation or interviewing. Number 9, research data analysis. In analyze the data, the research used the descriptive methods. This part present the research finding which the research found in the field by doing observation and interview. It related to the teacher strategy teaching vocabulary at Pesantren Dar El Kolam 3. After the research investigate the teacher strategy in teaching vocabulary, finally the research got some data. The following researchers present the findings of the study that are divided into 3 findings. The implementation of vocabulary teaching building. The technique of vocabulary building strategy used by the teacher in teaching vocabulary at the 7th grade student of Pesantren Dar El Kolam 3. And the problem in the implementation of vocabulary building strategy at the 7th. Okay, finding. This part present the research finding which the researchers found in the field by doing observation and interview. It related to the teacher's strategy in teaching vocabulary at Pesantren Dar El Kolam 3. After the researcher investigated the teacher's strategy in teaching vocabulary, finally the researchers got some data. The following researchers present the finding of the study that are divided into 3 findings. The implementation of vocabulary teaching building, the technique of vocabulary building strategy used by teaching in teaching vocabulary at the 7th grade student of Pesantren Dar El Kolam 3, and the problem in implementation of vocabulary building strategy at the 7th. Discussion. The teacher used the material to develop the students' ability, the knowledge, and happily. It should help the student to understand the lesson easily. The material as follow hospital food and drinks, times, clothes, and color, and thing in the bedroom, the media used by the teacher in teaching vocabulary at the 7th grade student of Pesantren Dar El Kolam 3. Based on the observation and interview with the English teacher, the researcher found that 3 are some media used by the teacher in teaching vocabulary. Using picture in teaching is very needed by the teacher, especially in teaching vocabulary. Oja, researcher found that the research used picture in teaching vocabulary. Let's see, for example, in material about clothes and color. Based on interview with the teacher and student, the teacher said that they often use real thing in teaching vocabulary. Video. Based on the observation, the researcher found that the research used video as one of the media in teaching. Students English book in one of media that used by the teacher. Students English book is very needed by the teacher and also by students. Student book contains the material that the teacher uses in teaching. The technique of vocabulary building strategy used by the teacher in teaching vocabulary at the 7th grade student of Pesantren Dar El Kolam 3. Based on interview with English teacher and also from observation, the researcher found that Three are some techniques that the teacher used in teaching vocabulary. The teacher doesn't explain the material full in English. Based on observation, the research found that the teacher used Indonesia translation explaining word meaning in the student have a lot of vocabulary. The teacher believes that the students will have a good score in English. The teacher used memorization in teaching. The problem makes the teacher can teach their student effectively. The teacher's problem described follow. The teacher has problem in motivating the student to learn vocabulary and less creative. Sometimes the teacher has problem in motivating the student. Based on observation, the researchers found that the teacher always. Okay, conclusion. According to findings of the research, the conclusion. According the accord, conclusion. According to the finding of the research, that the researchers gathered in Pesantren Dar El Kolam 3, especially as the 7th grade students. There were the conclusion of the research finding. The first is about the material, technique, and the media used by the teacher. The material used by the teacher are hospital food and drinks, time clothes and color and thing in the living room. The technique of vocabulary building strategy used by the teacher, thus translation, memorization, playing game, and sing a song. The media used by the teacher, picture, real things, and students' English book. The second is the problem focused by the teacher and student in teaching learning process. Okay, that's all I can say. But unless like that, thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.